Seriously, our planet is drowning in pollution as we bury our head in the sand. IPCC 2021 makes it very clear time is running out. Immediate, actionable solutions are needed to reduce our carbon footprint today. Global use of nitrogen fertiliser in agriculture rose from 11 million tonnes in 1961 to 119 million tonnes in 2020. Professor Delly Chen of Melbourne Uni cites nitrogen's vital role in meeting the huge challenges of feeding an ever-expanding global population. He states we must optimise our use of nitrogen whilst minimising our losses to the environment to save our planet. The global nitrogen footprint in farming is massive, but an exciting world-first innovation by GIBB Urea reduces current nitrogen application rates by 50%, whilst increasing productivity for all pastoral and some crop farmers. This Australian initiative can lead the way in mitigating global nitrogen pollution with win-win outcomes today. Largely escaping media attention till recently, nitrogen pollution is adversely impacting our vital ecosystems with increasingly dire health consequences. Just like carbon, reducing current application rates for nitrogen in agriculture is vital. GIBB Urea makes no apology for an innovation that both increases farm productivity whilst mitigating nitrogen application rates by 50%. A win-win solution for farmers and our planet today. Adapting standard off-the-shelf farm equipment with state-of-the-art technology and using existing supply channels, GIBB Urea's peer-reviewed one-system patented solution enables quick uptake by farmers with year-round value-add income for contractors. By using highly targeted application technology and satellite support, further reduction to nitrogen loss to the environment is achieved. GIBB Urea offers a financial lifeline to farmers by helping them improve their gross profit by up to 60% with no major investment required and reducing barriers to uptake, enabling easy adoption of the GIBB Urea solution. Farmers supporting our economy in a more optimistic mental space can help drive positive social change in their local communities as good global citizens. Global experts in their field, our team has created an innovative, patented and peer-reviewed pastoral farming and fertiliser alternative. One system is a fine Prills particle fertiliser that enables better absorption of nitrogen for foliar leaf crops. With early adopter trials undertaken on dairy farms in Gippsland over the past 4 years, GIBB Urea's innovation for pastoral and crop farmers has cut their nitrogen footprint by 50%, whilst delivering greater profit and economic resilience. GIBB Urea is leading the charge to reduce agriculture's global nitrogen footprint today. Professor Mark Sutton of the Environmental Physics Centre for Ecology and Hydrology UK said, "Smarter nitrogen management is not only a health and environment priority, but will prevent enormous economic losses." GIBB Urea supports farmer mental health by increasing farm production and delivering savings on expensive feed costs to achieve an improved bottom line, all whilst concurrently reducing nitrogen loss. GIBB Urea enables farmers to become leaders of social change in their local community whilst driving our nation's economy. With a fully evolved MPV and special patented products, GIBB Urea is ready to transition from a solo innovator operator to a vibrant commercial enterprise. This is an opportunity for existing farmers and contractors to come on board seamlessly with a ready-to-go solution for an important disruption to fertiliser pollution. A proven win-win solution today. A voluntary reduction to nitrogen application rates by farmers in New Zealand failed. Pollution of rivers and lakes continued unabated and prompted the government in New Zealand to propose legislation to enforce a reduced application rate of 190 kg per hectare per annum this year, a rate that is half Australia's current recommended nitrogen application rate. Subsequent fear-mongering by New Zealand farmers and the fertiliser industry on lost production and economic viability has to date delayed New Zealand's implementation of this Act. Meanwhile, GIBB Urea is already delivering up to a 50% reduction in current nitrogen application rates for pastoral farmers. No time delay, no loss of productivity, no increased cost, and a positive ROI for the farmer and our planet. One system is a unique patented and peer-reviewed granular prills fertiliser that increases plant foliar absorption of nitrogen to deliver improved growth. This process in turn contributes to the reduction of nitrogen application. Dr. Burke Quinn also notes that by using GIBB acid, the pasture itself has a lower N content. This is sufficient to meet cow dietary needs, but as a result, much less excess N is voided in their urine, providing a further reduction to nitrate leaching and N20 GHG emissions from urine patches. It is so simple. GIBB Urea adapts ready-made, off-the-shelf farm equipment for easy, fast uptake by early adopters. Many farmers and contractors already own farm equipment that can be used by the GIBB Urea system, making this an affordable and fast rollout solution for reducing nitrogen pollution caused by pastoral and some crop farming now. To date, the fertiliser industry response to mitigating the consequences of nitrogen application used in farming has been the introduction of inhibitors, but with no reduction to current application rates. Our goal is to connect with industry leaders and influencers who are keen to drive an immediate global nitrogen pollution solution and support a 50% reduction in nitrogen foliar applications used in farming. A positive solution for our farmers, the community, and our planet that can start now. GIBB Urea is ready to go, and 2022 is the year for disruption. Professor Deli Chen stated, "When ammonia is converted to nitrate, it becomes an important contributor to nitrogen losses and therefore climate change, damaging our global ecosystems. A process researchers and farmers are targeting to reduce nitrogen losses. GIBB Urea's solution has been peer-reviewed and trialled by early adopters. An Australian innovation, it offers an immediate practical solution to reduce the global nitrogen footprint of pastoral and some cropping farming today, whilst increasing farm productivity and viability. We invite you to come on board and help GIBB Urea pivot to a global enterprise that delivers results now." In BBC Science News this month, Boris Johnson, Prime Minister of the UK, says, "Today's IPCC report makes for sobering reading. It is clear that the next decade is going to be pivotal to securing the future of our planet. 30% of current global warming is attributed to nitrogen used in agriculture. This is set to double over the next 20 years in our quest to feed an ever-increasing global population. We invite you to become part of the solution. GIBB Urea is seeking industry and government to support, to fast-track a global rollout to positively impact the future of our planet today and for tomorrow. As Robert F. Kennedy said, "The purpose of life is to contribute in some way to making things better." You can help us do this today.